Yes, good morning, people. Hope you are doing well. I once again welcome you to my YouTube channel. I welcome you to the channel where we share ideas, where we talk about computers and to educate us to the youth our ignorance and to concentrate our knowledge about this ICT. So without wasting time, I want us to go directly to what we are going to talk about today. This morning we are going to talk about Google Mail, which is commonly known as Gmail. Yes. So we are going to talk about Gmail. We talked about Google Drive, Google Contacts, Google Forms. So today we are going to talk about Gmail. So Gmail, this is Gmail. This is a service which lets you to send, receive, and organize electronic messages or emails over the internet. You can receive emails, you can send, and also organize electronic messages. Yes. So without wasting time, I would just want to teach you just how to use this Gmail. So how to use, you just open your Google Chrome as usual. Google Chrome. Yes. Think here. Then you come on this here where Google Apps are on the here. So here these are the Google on this. So Google Gmail is here. This is Gmail. It is opening. It's opening. So this is it. This is what we call Gmail. This is Gmail. So here we have many options. We have the inbox. These are the messages that these are the emails or the files that one has received. Then these ones are the ones maybe that are still waiting for a special, the one that you have scheduled that maybe they will be sent the next morning. So they'll always be here. Then the ones which you have sent, the drafts, those ones which have like you've not sent or they have failed to go. Yes, then there are many options. So, but that's not my point for today. So if you want to compose an email, if you want to compose, you want to send a text, yes. So you just come here and click on compose. So here you name the recipient. I think I can try from my email. This is my email. To enter. This is my email. Yes. So here I just come here. Hope this email finds you well. Yes. Hope this email finds you well. Yes. Like you can type anything that you may want. So maybe I have finished to type. I can edit this. You can edit this. So you can just select this. Then I can edit. I can edit this. I can edit. I think here you can either broaden it like this. You can change the font. You can change the you can change the color, the what, anything that you may want to do with. Yes, in other words, you come here. Yes. come here. Here, this is where you can bring this all these options here. Place. So now after creating my email, you can send or you can schedule. Like you can say maybe I have typed this email today, but I want to send it tomorrow. You can just say schedule. Tomorrow morning, I can say tomorrow morning like this. I click tomorrow morning. So after this, it will go directly here. The ones which will be scheduled here. This is the one. Yes. So this is the one. So but if one had wanted to send it directly, you can also send it. So now I'm sending. So this is how you can do about Google Mail. Then the inbox, the ones which you have received, they will always be here. So I think that is how what I can say about this Google email. That you can here you come, you compose, you send you type the email like this. You type here hope this email finds you well. Like if you want to send directly, you just click on send. Like if you don't want to send, you undo or you view the message. Now let me view the message. So the message has already been sent. If I come in my inbox, I will find it there. It is here already. So thank you so much for listening. May the Almighty God bless. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share these videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Next time.